Today, we will take a look at luxury sports cars attempting a slippery, steep mud ramp challenge. Starting with a Chevrolet Camaro, as it struggles up the incline, the rear bumper is completely wrecked and the tires begin smoking, making it hard to watch. Despite the damage, the driver insists on continuing, proving that while you may arrive in good condition, you might not leave the same way. Eventually, it's clear the car can still move, but can't make the climb or even reverse out, leaving rescue as the only option, though the driver's persistence shows undeniable bravery. Next up is a fearless young woman in a BMW 2 Series convertible coupe takes on the slippery mud ramp. Despite the damage, she refuses to give up, repeatedly moving forward and backward to find traction, but it's still not enough. But she doesn't give a F. It's a clear reminder that she might arrive in good condition, but not leave the same way. So what's her next move? Everyone watches closely, waiting to see if she give up or push to the limit, but she still refuses to back down. She keeps going without giving up, and that determination is exactly why she makes it in the end. Check this out, a Porsche 911 has just arrived, and not just any model, but a sleek convertible that instantly turns heads. Now it's facing a real challenge, a steep, muddy ramp that looks anything but forgiving. You can almost feel the tension as it begins to climb, the wheels testing their grip against the slippery surface. Careful, it's quite a special 911, you got it right there. One wrong move and this could turn into a massive blunder. It makes you wonder, can the suspension be raised to handle terrain like this, or does it come with some kind of hovering magic to glide over the mess? All eyes are on it as everyone wonders whether this legendary sports car can really make it up the slope. The suspense builds as it seems frozen in place. In the end, the 911 had to reverse its way and withdraw from the challenge almost immediately, as the risk of scratching its paint was simply too high to justify continuing. Here comes the new Porsche Panamera, boldly approaching the steep, muddy ramp that looms ahead like a test of skill and engineering. With its adaptive suspension, it might just have a chance to conquer the slope, but without it, the climb looks almost impossible. The tension is palpable as we watch, will the Panamera make it, or will it hesitate? Come on, move. Why aren't it moving? Or is it going to give up in the end, surrendering to the challenge? And now another Porsche Panamera arrives, this time an older model, bringing a different kind of presence to the scene. Unlike the new one, this version has a thirstier engine, less power, and a few more limitations, but perhaps its experience and reliability can make up for it. Eventually, despite their efforts, all three Panameras are forced to surrender, unable to conquer the muddy slope. Now, we have the iconic Maserati GranTurismo to take on a steep, muddy ramp, pushing the car right to its limits. Then suddenly, something feels off. The roar from the exhaust grows louder and rougher. It almost sounded like a cylinder about to burst in the face, raising concern with every second. It's clear something isn't right, as if a part has given way under the strain. In the end, it's an unfortunate outcome, with the challenge proving too much for the car to handle. An older generation Audi TT RS steps up to the steep mountain climb challenge, small in size but packing a surprisingly powerful engine. Its bumper takes a hit along the way. Still, despite the setback, it manages to power through and reach the end, proving its capability. This time, a true supercar takes on the steep mountain climb challenge as a Lamborghini Gallardo steps forward with confidence. However, it only manages to cover a short distance before stopping, unable to push further. It seems the owner chose not to risk damaging such a valuable machine, holding back from taking it to a potentially costly end. young ladies take on the steep mountain climb challenge with a Porsche 718 Boxster. The Porsche owner seems a bit shy about pushing her car too far and only goes a short distance. Next comes a BMW 2 Series convertible, also driven by a young lady, but she shows no hesitation and powers all the way to the top. In the end, it's all in good fun, as they're simply testing their cars without taking serious risks to conquer the climb.